List Premier is proud to introduce its trade and workplace health and safety programs. Over the last 17 years, List Premier has grown in reputation as a world leader in the development of the best interactive software. As a result, List Premier has been highly sought after for the development of industry-recognized training programs presented on an interactive touchboard. List Premier has designed custom programs for companies in Africa, China, and more recently for the Indonesian Ministry of Energy and Mineral Resources. List Premier's training programs change attitudes about health and safety issues, leading to better work practices. It also lowers risk and helps avoid incidents and accidents which may result in fatalities, injuries, damage to equipment, and downtime. The programs are aimed at effective induction and ongoing training, the cornerstone in managing health and safety risks in the mining industry. List Premier's modern interactive touchboard training is the most effective training available. Trainees love this type of training. They find it easy and enjoyable. Benefits include the retention rate of content is 94% and higher as compared to a retention rate of 10 to 15% when traditional training is used. Traditional methods of teaching are not effective. Trainees fall asleep and get bored watching PowerPoint slides. List Premier's training methodology captures the full attention and focus of every trainee. There are 3 stages in training: logistics, which includes the preparation, the transfer of knowledge, and student contact, all of which are covered fully through our interactive programs. The focal point in the class is the touchboard. This enhances the training because the trainer is free to focus on the trainees. Entry points for long-term memory that we make use of include visual, auditory, kinesthetic, reinforcement, and communication. The programs can be used over and over for as long as desired. The programs can be tailored to the client's specific needs. Programs are trainee-centered, not trainer-centered. This means it is designed to let the trainee get the biggest advantage. It is simple to use and set up. The program is easy to use and to navigate, even by someone with limited computer skills. The program is curriculum-based. The exact information you want is there. The quality and standards are controlled. All the relevant information is in the module. Trainers only require the minimum training. The trainer can provide additional content. The trainer can share his or her experience. The learning and training is hands-on and minds-on. The participation and physical movement of the trainees stimulates blood circulation, which in turn keeps the students awake and alert. Currently available programs include the Underground Coal Mine Safety Training Program, Visual Safety, a workplace safety program, Visual Trade, a skills development program, and the Surface and Open Pit Mining Safety Program. The Underground Coal Mine Safety Training Program, available in English and Mandarin, was developed in cooperation with the Federal Government of Australia and the State Administration for Workplace Safety in China. This program was developed for the training of mine workers in China. The most up-to-date and latest industry information was used to develop an informative, theory and practical experience-based curriculum, exceeding all mining and industry requirements. 10 topics are covered, such as underground mining techniques, risk management, introduction to strata management, and energy isolation. Within the first 8 months of implementing the Underground Coal Mine Safety Training Program in China, the number of accidents and incidents reduced by 65%. Furthermore, trainee performance and information retention increased from 20% to 90% and higher. After a fact-finding mission to Australia by a delegation of mining inspectors from Indonesia in 2012, List Premier successfully provided the Indonesian Ministry of Energy and Mineral Resources with List Premier's visual safety program, among others. The Indonesian Ministry of Energy and Resources is responsible for mine training within Indonesia. List Premier received strong support and assistance from local Indonesian company, PT HK Mandiri, which is the official registered training organization for the Ministry of Energy and Mineral Resources. After receiving training in methodology and technology from List Premier, the Indonesian trainers were convinced that this is the training method they have always been waiting for. The Visual Safety Program was developed to cover a wide variety of required health and safety topics due to the high levels of risk that workers are exposed to on a daily basis. The Visual Safety Program is ideal for any workplace where mining or general manufacturing is conducted. The highest workplace health and safety standards and principles were incorporated into this program. The program consists of 25 modules and covers a range of topics such as color codes and signs, electrical safety, first aid, PPE, safety with machinery and equipment, and fatigue, sickness, alcohol, and drugs. Noting the need for a trade skills development program, List Premier has developed a 41-module trade program for electricians working at Samancor Chrome in Africa. This 4-year program is also accredited by Merseta in South Africa. The target population for this program is school leavers and first-time apprentices, or technical students. Undertaking work with electricity can be extremely dangerous, and students need to be suitably trained. The importance of safety principles is incorporated throughout the program. Trainers and students are reminded to stop and think before undertaking any task that carries risk. Since late 2012, List Premier has received several inquiries and requests to develop a surface and open pit mining safety program from clients as far as Indonesia, Kazakhstan, Chile, Peru, China, Africa, and Mongolia. List Premier is very excited to announce the release of its brand new surface and open pit mining safety program in early 2014. This exciting program covers 12 crucial topics ranging from regulations, rules and legislation, general safety, mobile equipment and traffic, firefighting and prevention, and the environment. Some of the significant advantages of our training programs, technology, and methodology are the ability to tailor the programs according to the client's specific training curricula. Our programs can be translated into any language. The completed program comes complete with narration and writing in the desired language. Our modules are in full lesson format with animations, images, video, and narration, as well as continuous assessment and a final assessment at the end of each module. The quality of training can be controlled worldwide, and it is easy for instructors to follow the training system. The concentration, focus, cooperation, participation, understanding, and retention of new knowledge by trainees will improve drastically because they enjoy this new learning experience. Trainees are exposed to hundreds of interactive real-life learning situations in a safe and controlled environment. Trainers and instructors find the programs easy to navigate and have the opportunity for personal contributions. Trainers have the ability to focus on the individual trainee's needs, and minimal preparation time is required by the trainers. Capacity building is important to List Premier. Customers using our programs will be able to conduct all future training by themselves after the initial training provided by List Premier. To List Premier, it is important to empower the people for which our programs are intended without the fear that the quality and standards will be compromised. Fully customized programs can be developed for any client, for any use or purpose, and in any language. Examples include the oil and gas industry, military training, corporate worker training, specific manufacturing training, tertiary training programs, and many more. If so desired, LIST Premier can also create additional tablet learning tools, a worker and trainee competence and performance database, and specific training to use our programs. LIST Premier has won several export awards, namely Regional Export Award in Education in 2007, Japan Queensland Export Excellence Award in 2008, and the Information and Communication Technology Award in 2011. Additionally, in recognition of his groundbreaking work in mine safety training in China, Professor Dr. De Beer was awarded in 2011 with an honorary professorship at the North China Institute for Science and Technology. As the largest registered training organization in China, incorporating the National Safety Training Center for Coal Mines and the Chinese Information Center for Coal Occupational Safety and Health, the North China Institute for Science and Technology is highly regarded as a leader in mine safety training. Professor De Beer is only the second non-Chinese recipient of such an award by this prestigious university. Thank you for your time, and please contact us if you wish to find a solution to your specific training needs.